Hey guys, it's DJ Tae. So today I am so excited. My friends, my cameraman friend, which is my friend Rico, and my other cameraman that be's on here on the weekends since Rico decided not to work on weekends. Diego, they both got me some presents from each. And they're big too. Hope y'all enjoy. If you do, please put a like or comment down below your video suggestions, subscribe for more videos, and let's get in. So it's a Happy New Year. So this one's from, who is this from? It's from Diego. Oh, by the way, just to tell you, they all use the same wrap for some reason. Diego, you need to work on your skills a little bit. Huh, deodorant. Why is it dirty on the front? See? It's dirty. Diego, why'd you give me... Look at this. Diego, why'd you give me disgusting deodorant? Next, I only have 3 from them. This one's from Rico. I know it's gonna be good, probably. Cause last time I gave Rico a handle cock. Ooh, a speaker. Thanks, Rico. I needed one. Last one's from Diego. It's big and I can't open it. What's this? He got me a mallet. You can actually buy these from Dollar Tree, so I'm betting that's where he got this mallet from. So, anyways, I gotta go. This is the only gifts he gave me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You do, please like and comment down below your video suggestions. Subscribe for more videos and have a happy New Year's Eve. New Year's. Bye.